Hi guys, this is Nate with SMRT. I'm going to do a quick video screencast on how to use some of the tools in the Groupwise desktop client. A lot of people don't know that there's a Groupwise program available both for Mac and Windows, and uh, and we have one available for download. It's free and it has some tools that are a little bit fancier than what's available in the web interface that most people log into through their browser. So the first thing is we have to find it. If you will just Google UNM Groupwise, it's actually one of the top results. It's the one that says Groupwise UNM Hospitals University of New Mexico, and there's the URL for that link. If you'll click it, you'll notice a page pops up, and you can see which client you need for Linux, Mac, Windows. Whenever you click on it, you'll be able to download it and install it. And the first time you log in, you will be required to put in a server address. You'll be able to see that that server address is visible down bottom on the web page. It says server address gdum.health.unm.edu in the port. You might need to put in that information and then use your Groupwise login, and then you'll be presented with a page that looks like this. You can see up top you have your mailbox, your calendar, a few different things that are a lot like what you're used to on the internet, on the browser-based interface. But it's got a few new tricks up its sleeve. If you'll go up and click on Sent Items, for example, up on the top little bar there, you'll see that you can go to see a list of the emails that you've sent out. In which case you'll see a button in the middle that says retract and delete, another button that says retract. What this actually means is that you can take an email that you've sent and you can look at it in this tool and see whether or not someone has read it, which is kind of neat. You can see if someone's actually gotten an email and just hasn't responded to you or what their deal is. Additionally, you can take it and especially if it hasn't been read yet, you can retract it so that it's like you never sent it. If you use the retract and delete button to delete out of your sent items, if you just use the retract button, nothing changes, so it's kind of difficult to tell whether or not it worked. So I found that what you can actually do is right click on the email that you've retracted as shown, click on properties, and then you'll see a little line in there that will confirm that it was retracted. Additionally, one other tool that Groupwise, the desktop client, offers is some advanced rules that you can make. These rules is ways that the Groupwise client can automatically process your email. So you can set a rule so that any email, for example, coming from a particular address is automatically marked as read or automatically marked as urgent or forwarded, or you can do all kinds of neat tricks with this. So I'm going to make an example rule real quick to show you how it works. And in this example rule, I'll say to act on any new item that is received, so like an email, for example, and the type is mail. We're going to define conditions, so anyone that the from contains unmsom.smrt@gmail.com, that's us. And then OK, and then the actions are, we'll go to the action and we'll set its category as urgent, and that way you guys make sure to get all the emails that we send you and know how important they are. So here's another way you can think about to use this. Just about every major text messaging phone company has a way that you can send emails to text. If you just go to Google and search for email to text, as I've done here, you'll find a bunch of sites such as emailtextmessages.com. You can click on this. It'll take you to a list of email addresses that you can use that will automatically send you text. So for example, this is a 10-digit phone number at text.att.net. If I were to send that to my phone number, including area code, at text.att.net, an email sent to that address will arrive as a text message. So using those rules that we were looking at in Groupwise, you could
set up a rule. If you had an email you're really excited about or anxiously awaiting, you could set up a rule to automatically forward any email to your phone number at this address, and thereby be notified by text message as soon as you got an email.
Um, Anyways, hope you enjoyed this screencast. Hope you learned something. Let us know if you have any questions or want any help setting it up. Thanks.